I'm gonna show you a beautiful, incredible fall eye look using the Adriana Nichole Cosmetics palette. I am in love with this palette. I love these shifts. And I also picked up Brown Berry from CoverGirl. Let me tell you, this takes it up a notch. Starting off with the mattes, I'm gonna start with Icon, and I'm also using my Crystal Lee 028, beautiful for the crease. I'm gonna sweep into the crease and really build up this beautiful, warm depth. What I love about this brush is I can pull this back and forth on the delicate eyelid skin and it doesn't move. It is so soft. Love Adriana Nichole shadows. So smooth and buttery, they just blend like a dream. Just a little bit in this deeper shade. And this one is called Fearless. These colors are beautiful, warm, and they blend so well together. They make a gorgeous combo. If you have a hooded eye, tapping is better. If you don't have a hood, you could go back and forth with circles. But sometimes if you have that piece of skin that hangs over, you need to tap so you can really get it in there. The same color, Fearless, and on the very edge of that brush, sweeping that underneath the whole lash line and connecting on that outer corner. Going to sweep this around. I really want everything to be nice and blendy. Love these colors together. And if you have blue eyes, they're gonna start popping. Now, what this I Am Everything palette does is has amazing shifts. So I've swatched them just so you can get a gander. They are so gorgeous. I think we're gonna go with Perfection. If you do have mature eyes, you're gonna need to use a glitter glue. I love NYX glitter glue. It's well priced, lasts forever, flat brush, very small amount, and tap that on that main lower lid where we're gonna add that shift. Keeps that glitter in place where we want it. Perfection. Because I'm feeling a little crazy, I'm gonna pop into Invincible, and we're gonna add that on that inner lid. Using a smaller brush also gets you a lot more control. Definition and lining, I love to use a powder. I'm gonna come into Powerful. Really kind of smudging it down into that lash line. So for a quick cleanup, I just take a concealer brush and I sweep it underneath the eye, making sure everything is where I want it. And I come up and out, and that's just gonna give me some easy lift pretty quickly. Also for easy brightening, I always use Fake Wake from Tarte on my lower waterline. CoverGirl has a really beautiful fall shade, and it's called Brown Berry. Basically, it is a colored mascara and make this look really come together. If you don't have this little gadget, what it does for lifting and separating, excellent. So here is my fall eye look. I am obsessed with these shifts. I love them. Berry Brown mascara adds that little pop. Falls around the corner. Are you ready for it?